all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and we're at the 24th of August, 2021, and the time right now, well, we're about 8:20 in the morning, and that's Central Time. You know, today the big question is, would we get Tuesday reversals? You get big ups and Mondays on a stock index, and often, according to the Stock Traders Almanac, you get a pullback on a Tuesday. We'll see if that's the case. So far, no. And that's got to be amazing to a lot of traders, because this market has gone from all of a sudden a big break last week to a monster rally, new contract highs, new all-time highs in some of the indices. Metals also on fire, same in the copper. Everything's coming alive. The reflation trade is back. Take a look at what's going on in the energies, right back to the upside. And while wheat is down, you're up in the corn and the soybean markets today. Even the sugar is up. Pretty flat in the notes and the bonds, but you wouldn't expect much out of them, given that we have the FOMC, the Jackson Hole meeting beginning this Friday, and of course the leadoff speech from Fed Chair Powell. That's going to set the tone for a lot of things. Dollar continuing lower, which is giving a bid to a number of markets. Now, Reebok, the Red Book weekly sales, got tongue-tied there. Weekly retail sales up 15.9%. These are similar numbers to last week. I remember they were up 15%. And the same thing if you look 16.6 in the week ended August 21st. Back to school for sure. Good weather for sure. People just going out and buying for sure. By the way, with that sales, in China, that big port, it's reopened. So the world's, I think it's the third largest port in the world, has now reopened. Ships are coming in and out again. So the clog that we've been writing about, at least I have, and people have been talking about, starting to free up there. One case of COVID shut it down. They waited 2 weeks, but they're open again in China. The Richmond Fed, we're going to get their manufacturing index. That comes out at 9. U.S. new home sales data for July out at 9. At 3:30 in the afternoon, Chicago time, we'll get the API oil stocks. And if you look at the Confederation of British Industry, I bring this up because their sales volume, this is the biggest I've ever seen. This is the highest reading since 2014. I don't remember what it was prior to that, but that is just a monster reading. And in the midst of their COVID, these markets are taking off to the upside and looking very, very stout. That's about the best thing that you can say about them. So when you put it all together, I get why these markets are moving. And remember, as the kids go back to school, as people get back into the work mode, you get more serious about these markets. And as I get serious, one of the things I want to do is talk to you about learning charting. It's simple. I use 5 different indicators, each build on the other. I'm always talking to you here about swing lines. Then you'll hear me talk about moving averages, how they filter it and what they do, how to get in the markets using swing lines. Slow stochastics, a major tool for momentum index. It can not only show overbought, oversold, but it can lock in a trend. Bollinger Bands for one of the sets of profit objectives, a real big one. And of course, window envelopes, which I don't show in all this. It's not hard to learn. It's $249.95, 8 hours of videos. You get the charting software. You get, with this full package, my full research, the morning videos, everything comes included with it. So if you're interested in learning and you've got yourself, at the end of the summer, you want to learn something, you want to start applying it, this may be the way to go. All you need to do is go to our website under the word education. Our courses are up there, and away you go. Or call my staff. They'll help you. I'm Ira Epstein. Have a great day.